Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. Headset plugged into controller or HDMI/optical connected, controller paired, and volume on headset up. Once done, press the Xbox button, navigate to Profile and System, then Settings. This opens Audio Configuration. You do this to access output and chat mixer options that determine where sound goes. Make sure to note whether you want headset, TV speakers, or optical output. This initial choice dictates the subsequent menus and prevents chasing the wrong setting. Now, in Settings, choose General, then Volume and Audio Output to change the meat of sound behavior. You set speaker audio to stereo uncompressed for simple TV speakers or spatial audio like Windows Sonic if using compatible headphones. Once selected, pick HDMI or optical audio format. Use Bitstream if your receiver decodes Dolby or 2-channel uncompressed for basic stereo. You do this because format mismatches cause silence or poor quality. Matching source and sync ensures proper decoding and full frequency range. Finish by configuring party chat output and the chat mixer so game and voice levels blend correctly. Set party chat to headset if you want private voice or console speakers to broadcast. Once configured, test with a party or in-game audio and tweak the chat-to-game balance until comfortable. If audio still fails, restart the Xbox to apply settings. If problems persist, confirm cables, try a different headset, or toggle spatial audio off. That one troubleshooting step often resolves driver or handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.